Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Instagram logo to Vistaprint. All right. So first up, let's just go ahead and find an Instagram logo. Okay. You can go ahead and open up your favorite browser and go to google.com. Okay. Down here, just go ahead and find Instagram logo. All right. Hit on enter. Now just go ahead and go to Google Images right here. Okay. Maybe use this one from Wikipedia. Okay, you can go ahead and right click on it and hit on save image as, or save it wherever you want. Name it if you want to, Insta, and then hit on save. Once that's done, go back to your Vistaprint Studio. Then just go ahead over to the left panel and click on images. In here, just click on upload from this device. And if you do have the image from your phone, you can go ahead and click on upload image. Okay, click on it. Now go ahead and click on the Instagram logo. Hit on open. Wait for it to upload. Once done, as you can see here we have the Instagram logo. You can go ahead and shrink it if you want to. Just use these points. You can go ahead and rotate it if you want to as well. And there you have it. That's how you add Instagram logo to Vistaprint. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.